We're here today to completely redesign Credit Path, a technology platform that processes credits, and make the lives of 930 users in the commercial segment today go from relatively cumbersome to massively efficient. We're doing that today. Today is the first day of this process of bringing together 60 to 80 of the most talented associates in commercial to think about the universe of the possible as opposed to what's currently done today. So we felt there was a very important need to completely hit the reset button in terms of the way Credit Path interacts with the field. And in order to do that, we needed to get a complete reset on the intent and the destination of what this product should look like for our associates. So this Hothouse has given us the ability to think completely blue sky, be unconstrained by the realities of today, and develop a destination credit tool for our associates.
Over the next 3 days, we really hope to accomplish a clear understanding of the underwriting process for commercial and how Credit Path fits within that. So day one is focused on the process, making sure we understand the underwriting process from end to end and how we want Credit Path to function within it. Day two, we're going to move to prototyping and making sure that we're really user-focused on the prototype of Credit Path. So that's going to be all day two. On day three, we move to execution, implementation, and change management plan. So when you look at the full 2.5 to 3 days, it's going to be a well-rounded process and prototype view, both for underwriting and Credit Path.
We just completed the first pitchback session of the Hothouse and it went very well. We had 4 different teams, very different specialty areas, different geographic areas. Each came up with very different ideas and different processes.
I'm from IT, so to sit with people from the business side of the house and hear from them what their process is and stepping through the process was very informative to me. I'm hoping that one of the takeaways from this will be when we develop solutions for them, I now have a perspective of their process from them instead of maybe just like on a piece of paper looking at a flow chart.
I've been paired with a team from the Commercial and Specialty Finance organization that are not on Credit Path, so they've provided a clear kind of understanding of what they do and no preconceived ideas or notions about Credit Path in general or how it should or shouldn't work.
This experience at the Hothouse has been a really good opportunity to get in touch with some other groups, understand some different points of view, kind of bring all of that data together into formulating kind of an action plan that we can take into the next steps.
The new solution, which we're calling the Hub, is really focused on being able to go to a single place and do things quickly and efficiently.
The whole end-to-end process, just a lot smoother, a lot easier, more functional. We're going to be able to use this new system the way that it was envisioned.
There are just so many different ways of looking at things, and being in one line of business, we forget that there are other opportunities there, other ways of doing business. And so, having all the people in the room together to come up with a tool that is going to work as much as possible for everyone, I think we can develop that based on the passion that existed over the last couple of days.
I think this is going to enable us not only to be responsive to our customers, deliver a more timely product to market, but make our associates much more effective in the day-to-day interactions that they have with each other at work.
I couldn't be more excited about the months ahead, where we're going to have complete alignment around what we're trying to accomplish, and that IT and the business will be tightly aligned, and that at the end of all of this, we will have that experience that people dreamed about the last 2 days.
I'll say there are 2 things that we need to walk away with this meeting from. One is the fact that we now have a destination platform that we can work backwards from. And the second thing is that it has served as an example for all the people involved in this process that if we are focused on the search for the truth, if we're empowered to go out and solve problems, and we're radically open with each other, there's no problem that we can't solve, and we're going to create an incredible culture at this company.